So the next part is what in this table we will see the observed and the expected values. Okay, in that in that uh, in a CGPA category 10 to 9 there are 30 students which get place into the company. Okay, in 9 to 8 category 35 students are the place into the into the company. Okay, like that the total like that there are some students are get into the are get place into the company, and so the total of the observed frequency of the place student is what 100. Okay, and again same expected frequencies in a 10 to 9 category there are 20 students are the not placed into the company, and it is expected to get placed into the company. Okay, so these 20 value is expected value. In 9 to 8 category 20 students are not placed into the company, and this 20 is a expected frequency of the place student, that is a 20 students are expected to place into the company. So the all the expected frequency of the place student total is what again 100. Okay, now we will see how it is calculated by using the formula. Okay, after constructing the contingency table, this is called as a contingency table. Okay, uh, again next part is what to calculate or to compute the value of the chi-square statistic. Okay, so the formula is what uh, x square equal to summation I o I minus ei square upon e. Here the o is what here the it is not actually x but look like a x, which is called as a chi. Okay, so this chi square is what chi square value. Okay, this is what a chi square value, and o is what observed frequency, that is observed value, and expected e means what expected frequency, that is the expected value. What we have to do is first step is what you have to in that formula what is expected observed frequency and the expected frequency. Okay, by using that you can find the chi square value. Okay, so again these are the steps for calculating the chi square. So the first one step is what subtract each expected frequency from the released observed frequency. Okay, so for example here the category CGPA category is a 10 to 9. What we have to do subtract both. Okay, observed frequency minus expected frequency, this using this observed frequency minus expected value. That is here for the 10 to 9 category observed frequency is what 30, and expected value is what that is expected frequency is what 20. You have to subtract 20 from the 30, so my answer is what 10. Okay, again after calculating you have to again calculate the 10 square. Okay, means observe value and expected value, you have to subtract the expected value from the observed value. Okay, whatever the answer is calculated, you have to again calculate the square of this number. Okay, so the next step is what square each value obtained in the step 1, that is o minus e. So so the calculated answer in a step 1 is what 10. Okay, you have to again calculate a square of a 10, so the square of 10 is what 100. Okay, so these two step you have to apply similar operation for all the categories values. Okay, so the next step is what again divide all the values divide divide the values obtained in a step 2. Okay, so the obtained value in a step 2 is what 100. Okay, so in a step 2 by the relating the expected frequency, that is o minus e square upon e. For example, for CGPA category 10 to 9, again 100 you have to